State Asida flood early warning system Chahi Asigi Manung Thamnaba Hotnari HAINA Water Resources Department Executive Engineer WOTRAMI MARCHANG PHONGDORAKLI Wafma Singa Lamphil Pata Liver Street Water Informatics Center AWIC Training Holder Flood Forecasting and Mitigation in Manipur Highway Hiramda Ngastigi Hodun and Limit in Chathagadaba Workshop Come Training Program Haudopaki Thoramda Mahakna Fongo Kibani Water Resources Department District Project Monitoring Unit SPMU National Hydrology Project NHP Amadi National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur FLIUS Manipur Project Team Department of Civil Engineering Napunna Sinduna Pangtopa Workshop Fadugamari Lina FLIUS Manipur Gi Nodal Officers Oriba Water Resource Department Gi Division 2 Gi Executive Engineer WOTRAMI MARCHANG NIT Manipur ga Kusham Naduna Water Resource Department and National Hydrology Project and NHP Project ama Paikali. Project Asigi Makada Flood Early Warning System FLIUS Project Asi Paikat Pane. Housing Project Asigi data sing Kongat Pahore, Marak Asida Street Asigi Maru Iba sing the automatic water level recorder hypermetin sing Hindu Naturel gi Imai ki data sing low to study to Bahore. Amaram the State Water Resource Information System Hyper Portal Amasu Sem Ganana Vatorang Tori. Portal asigi kuthangda miyam da flood ki warning alert sing pigane system asi thabak ton thorak lagadi ising ichau thok thungai mamangda miyam na mangzauna section thorang lokhat pada achoba ngaklo mo oiragani flood early warning system asi chahi ama ani sigi manung da street asi da thamnana bakana hotnari haina makna makhataki
Automatic water level recorder hai na ekoi install tawba haure ekoi river sida as a pilot study oina haibadi fully functional mak ti oidri but project lakhini lakpa sida ekoi along the cross of the river da ekoi dukumba instrument install tawraga water level kyamu kakhat khre and then shumuk nong chubasi shumuk oirabadi shumuk kano ising chawgani ado chawraga na kyamu effect tawgani haibase ekoi kan hotnari ado sigi manung sida ekoi na portal phajaba ma portal ma semgat ke tawri state water resource information system haina masigi system sina tawge tawba maram sina di ekoi na data install tawkiba instrument mayam dagi level lakpa mayam si ekoi na public alert pigani and then we'll be linking with DIT koi ga link tawgani aduga ekoi na adu water level to information to sandokpa matam da particularly DIT da ngatang chatloi but public end users haibatare for a particular section amadagi section amadu da ekoi na water level smuk yaure ising smuk chawga dawre haibasi alert oina mogi phone da ting 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 haina mayam thokrakani adugi system dune ekoi hoji state water resource information system haina semgat ka dawri basi
Thamnaba Mari Laidana FLIUS Manipur Project Litso River NIT Manipur Department of Civil Engineering Associate Professor Ngangbam Romezi na Hai Flood Early Warning System FLIUS Manipur Hyper Project asi yamna scientific oiba top project amani Early Warning System asida tongan ba model sing yauri system asi leiraga di sing ichau thorak tringai mamangda miyam na mangzauna na section thorang lokhatda khudong chaba kya pigani Project asi street asi ki oina mamang chahi ki April dagi horakhibani project asi mathangi chahi kumza lising ani kun gamanga fawgi manungda loisina na pandam thamli haina mahakna makhataki
Flood early warning system sigi kana bamna akhoi ising chawgadaba no kana tagadaba suma lakadaba se akhoi na pung nifu nipan natra khumdai thoi hadi numini ni natra numini thuni mangna khangmanga babnina akhoi na masi akhoi na chapchana khangba se akhoi 100% haibadi ngamjade adubu kaino da masi 95% 90% ni changda dum chummi aduga masi aduga atopa singna akhoi gi hojiki akhoi na mamangda khabada ka thengnabi duna tudeni leimai yenga hairpani na akhoi da pungani hum da hena akhoi da lead time phangdi action akhoi gi reaction time phangdabnina akhoi da government authority to yam awabam oi adu chakai makhoi na numini ni natra humni mama khangmam ta gadi akhoi da mobilization gum batauba ni planning tawda so akhoi da matam do phangmani na maduna kana ga khanse aduna masi project am maroi ba project ni akhoi chumna research tawda banati masi capacity building aduga ground da lagida ba akhoi gi relief disaster management gi NGO sing adagi mani ba village block level da leba akhoi village authority lai sing ba adagi panchayat level da si wena mak moina implement tawbi ga dawni akhoi di technical roi boina knowledge akhoi idea share tawra akhoi warning ji pigani authority sing da DC district magistrate sing da aduga makhoi na mu disseminate tawraga makha taba level si tawda si tawda moina planning amu thadok ka dawni maina masi project le ga di akhoi ismaina na pang mang tai ba property da mang tak ba isen hundok kham lambi kai ba thong kai ba sing si khara mai di phagadra na khanje
Ngastegi horiba workshop kam training program adu the Indian Meteorological Department IMD gi Regional Meteorological Center gi head K.N. Mohan, Center Asigi Scientist Sunit Das, North Eastern Space Application Center NESA K Scientist Dr. Arup Burgahen, NIT Manipur की Department of Civil Engineer की Associate Professor N.G. Romeji, District Relief Officer Koizam Ranjit Kumar, Amadi Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center MARSAC की Scientist Singh na Resource Person oina wangangani. Ngasi ki workshop hongdokpagi thoramadu the Water Resource Department की Chief Engineer Remai Alemai, NIT Manipur की Director Professor DVLN Somaya Zulu, MARCHANG के Director O Nodio Chan, amadi NIT की Registrar Professor की Is Tombana Presidium Member oina saruk yaki.